Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to share with you all a very easy plantain fritter. This is going to be a sweet recipe and it's super easy to make. So let's get started by preparing our plantains. In my bowl I have 3 overripe plantains. Overripe, it's sweeter and it's better to use. Alternately, you can use moko or you can use ripe bananas. Once you finish mashing your bananas really well, you're going to go in with sugar, which is totally optional. If you're diabetic, omit the sugar. Next goes in some vanilla essence or extract, some cinnamon powder, and I'm going to grate in some fresh nutmeg. I always prefer the taste of fresh nutmeg. Next, give these first set of ingredients a good mix to help the sugar to dissolve. I'm going in with a pinch of salt and my flour, along with my rising agent, some baking powder. Now we're going to give this a good mix. You want to make sure that it's mixed in really well. Once it comes together and it's mixed in properly, our next step would be frying. So you make sure you have your oil heating on a low or medium low heat. These get brown really quickly, so I suggest going for a low heat first. Test it, make sure your oil is hot, and start dropping in those balls. I'm using a very small ice cream scoop to help me here. They puff up really nicely, and you're going to allow them to fry for about 2 to 3 minutes. You want to make sure that the inside cooks properly. After which, once they get a nice brown color, you can remove them from the oil and drain them on your paper towels. These guys are so delicious, and it goes great by itself or even dusted with some powdered or icing sugar. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. I'm gonna break into one so you guys can see just how amazing it looks on the inside. It's packed with tons of flavor and those spices really complement it. So if you guys have never tried this before and you give this recipe a try, comment down below and let me know what you think. Thank you all so much for watching today, and I'll see you in my next video. Stay safe everyone.